Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Mimo bibia akwaba eba Melodies TV so breaking news a eba sisia etrese Ekuapem Polo ye jailing no for 3 months. Judge ne say won could them for 3 months. Now, this is the story coming through. Let's read the story and then we'll read the comments. And bra me mamotias here the fact of the matter. Some people in a way are also blaming Ekuapem Polo ne lawyer no say nanke ni kwan say ne lawyer no emma Ekuapem Polo changing the plea and also a different matter yebeka. People are questioning the integrity of Ekuapem Polo lawyer. But let's go and read the story as Graphic is reporting right now, and then I'll read it in front of you. We showbiz, Graphic showbiz. Or say, mommy please, I beg you, mommy please. Were the words of actress Rosemond Alade Brown, aka Ekuapem Polo, when the court slapped her with a 90-day imprisonment for the publication of a nude picture with her 7-year-old son in June last year. That is Ekuapem Polo judge no chow, Embra judge no, we jailing for 90 days, a year 3 months no. I say in an emotional atmosphere, lawyer for the convict, Mr. Andy Votia, including other lawyers who were present at the court, prayed independently as amicus curiae against a custodial sentence, but the court held that a harsh sentence must be passed to serve as deterrent for committing the offense, which the court held had become prevalent in the country and affected children's best interest, right to privacy and dignity, as well as the country's moral image. Was say your judges nature lawyers bebrina epanecho say wo mosre won fanche Ekuapem Polo na judge na asema wakan say sa de we ya de bia ababa be dane sebe ade agana fo emma ne bi eye dodo e wo man we mu obefa ha na Ghana mba eyi adeja ato ha obefa ha na Ghana ba eyi adeja ayese obefa ha na adeja nti ya ade asebe nkrofo eye nti no Ekuapem Polo no e wo se ye twe naso na ye twe naso a ebema sebe Ghana omo a wo mu di sansem ni nina no wo mu ejai nti no judge ne de wo se wo no de wo ma Ekuapem Polo akodem. Judge ne ye friend no Miss Christiana Khan. Also, Miss Christiana Khan sentenced her to 90 days in prison, each for all 3 counts, which are to run concurrently. Into way any breaking news are ever, Ekuapem Polo has been jailed for 90 days. Now, yesterday, I spoke and I explained matters. Say, one can free Ekuapem Polo ni nano. They don't understand what is going on. Now, a ruling has come, and so I can really speak on the matter. Now, Yame Ekuapem Polo ruling. Do I think the ruling is harsh or it is okay? Based on precedents, based on past events, Mr. Su say judge no ruling now what they make Ekuapem Polo no. It is extremely harsh. I am very disappointed say judge no make Ekuapem Polo this particular ruling. Do you know why? And you see, it comes in the form where in Crawford Air can say Ekuapem Polo ebia na ne lawyer na kra no because ne lawyer na ma necessary ne plea no ene na ma de we na ebia na aba. Now this is what I'll say. You on my way mu and a branch I friend wiser grade stage so and I said allegedly we yi ne bema. You call court who send the crack wiser we yi ne bema. Now so wiser didn't plead guilty, even though wiser went on radio stations to apologize and confess in a way, say, oh, I dare no one shedda and our year way, I dare ne ban so, and I say anything in a but court no case when you're guilty. It's a different matter. But many no court no fine wise are guilty. And what happened? You trouble man say won't ya. For me personally, I thought say that was the same thing. Ekuapem Polo ne dia ne be. Sisiana akwa say if someone raises a concern of gender imbalance in this particular issue, the person is right. Because it has happened to a male musician. One way in a bema. What you say? We in a bema. Ekuapem Polo the name put there near a picture. But won the Ekuapem Polo in the case no so a different. They say akwala so ne de no because a child rights international say ebia wo twa ya akwala eka ne ho no ene na ama asem no aye a bit different. But nini na no say indecent exposure there. We've seen how indecent exposure insensem, especially with regards to celebrities, no, it has been handled. The omoko quarter, a year more fine. Take your people, they say uncle them for 3 months. Akolane so because I akolane tin here den call ye. Muntio and DKB raises our point no. DKB raises our point no. And it is something I think we should all consider, we should all look at. The entire idea Captain Polo akọ court ne say akolane welfare. Inti sisiano, yes Captain Polo won't go them 3 months no. Is the state going to cater for Captain Polo neba? Neba no state no ebe cater for no ana. Ma obi anka say bibi born NC. But yemfa ne say no one caters for akolano. Na akolane nti na mo take say this action. Na Captain Polo akọ dem for yemfa ne say 3 months. Nyame nka say ama obi anka say bibi born NC na bi akolano bibi born koto ne sisia na sebi previousa. Nyame ma NC na say yante assemble e wa akolana fa. Who are we going to blame? Because what Catherine said, the reason why I kept Polo de ne court no akolana ne welfare. Sisi and watch your mama no at the narco prison for 3 months. Akolana so one kwan so bibi boni ato no. Who are you to blame? Intino, I feel say yes, a captain Polo, the ye no, and ye can a misdemeanor nensensem. Me feel say nanka, I was say ye mano, it's ya fine, and I say communal labor. And you see, that is one thing at Ghana, I was say, we incorporate into our legal system. Okwa abrochia, bibi say no sa nesi. Enye bibia na was say ye de uko jail lo. Enye bibia na was say, and ye chi wane ye de uko jail. Dabi, enye bibia na was say ye nesa. And I don't know whether a Captain Polo, they will try to appeal or what. I don't know. But issues like this, it should be communal labor. Sa 3 months, muncha baby mano. Kaswa baby, circle baby, and say for 3 months, and opebia 6 to 10. Oh, for 3 straight months. Yen shone say they be obey. That one it is okay. And no poor man benya home for. But you can't say one go them for 3 months. It is very harsh. And amakano. It for that 3 months now we go them. No Captain Polo say, or no, and they share nebano. Nebani school come, nebani bibia wono no she. It is here 3 months I walk them. Ne bani school fees no sebe. E ya bani ne betuama ne banana. Because the reason, and you see, you guys need to understand my point here. Minka said the Captain Polo you know papa. Boni yesterday I spoke against it. Emma make say as far as on one kasa court, akwa say I am guilty ne die ene die. Wajia tum say subobia ye de bebo no yemfa mbo. But no no so the subone bebona e was say wo hwe because one awama yate ase say akola ne hunti akola ne yie die ne welfare se ne akola ne bedi ya na akola no se ne obenya abotoye mu atena awiase mu eno hunti e na Captain Polo wo twe na so nti eno so was say wo hwe ne say asotwe na wo de ma no it will not be in a way say ebe affect akola no because ebe cost 90 adwuma na wo ye nti sisi ano 3 months I walk them. You say Ghana so the schools. I mean 2 months when in the term na ne ba no walk school no. Nigeria ne diem because the Captain Polo na ne hwe ne ba. Onne ne ba ne papa enya asem say ne ba ne papa kran won hwe akola stand to be corrected but last one cancer story no. Onne ne ba papa nya asem ti ono na twe say wo bɔ modern wo ton ha ni nyama wo de hwe ne ba no. So the question I am asking is sa 3 months ya Captain Polo yede na akwa tumu yi. 1 ne ba no ni school ko aban ni ne betia. Child Rights International no mu no mbe kita for ana. 1 that's the question I'm asking. Ni school kom school fees all ko de bia sika yede ma no. Child Rights International would they cater for it? 2 ni didiem akola no yebepe psychiatrists be manana because believe it or not as you are doing this because of akolane welfare no believe it or not akolane so ate say yede ne mami atum no it will have a psychological effect on akolano ena maka no manya me ma boni bia ensi na so boni ko sisi a sa Child Rights International dey say na Ghana for betwe omo anu esi omo so no because boni ko to sisi a nkofo beka say akola no mo am akola na adwendwen e na aye ni say e na akola no we atone so because o te say ne mame akwakodem 3 months no e na aye say meanwhile wo ma yate ase say akola ne ye edi enti na wo twe mame ne fi ne ho banaka wo ma ne fine odi amane kata ne say Ekuapem Polo tia 100,000 Ghana cedis kata ne say tia 1 billion kra that's a fine ye dey boa aban na me sure say ni ankrofo kan free Ekuapem Polo free me sure say ankrofo di sika beba na nkomo etua ama no inti na ka wo ma ne fine ana say na ka wo ma ne communal labor mpo a wonim say wokoye sa communal labor adwuma ne wi a obi fia ba behwe ne ba inti at least ne ba ne nim say o ma wa around inti for me personally it is very very harsh na enya me pe policy think tank personality ba kwa ye friend Kofi Bentil wakasa wo Ghana policies ne nsensen bebre so ono kra kan endra we say se court no ejeli Ekuapem Polo a na to say court no omo use common sense ba kompu say na to say ruling no common sense in him and the court no ejeli Ekuapem Polo. For me it is very harsh. It is extremely harsh for Ekuapem Polo to be jailed on this matter. Mama Watia said there is a precedence of a male celebrity where he in a Bema was stage any aye hu video no where he in a Bema. Ono ne dia ne court case and the cre wakwa ko yi ne Bema na eye sika ne twama na yanka se wonko dem. E ba ne se na ba wo ba so de a wo ba ne yesi wonko dem. A gender imbalance and agenda bias. It is simple as that. That's my thoughts on this matter. Muntre mo adwo comment box ni mo Ghana for baby na atro mo adwen. Munso muntre mo adwen me da se.